What's up, guys? Nick here from the Average Biker Garage. Today I'm finishing up welding the hardtail and pulling the wiring harness out. Just a couple of little baby steps. Later this week I'll be making the exhaust, and should be the video after this one. But I had to get the wiring harness out of the way and wanted to finish welding up the rest of the hardtail on the back there. Make sure that was in and solid before I went on with welding up the exhaust. So got that. We're gonna do that, then do the exhaust, and then should be able to pull the motor and get down to just the bare frame. So baby steps today, big steps this week, and hopefully I'll have this thing finished by August for the Owasso Vintage Motorcycle Days show. Logo right here. Bam. So let's do it. So we're going to start by getting the wiring harness out of the way. There you have it. Wiring harness out. I'm gonna measure in between the axle plates. Got like, can't really see it, can you? I got like 11 1/16 from inside to inside. So I'm gonna go cut bar. Got 11 1/16 inside to inside. I'm gonna go cut a bar probably 11 1/4 to wedge in there, so when I finish welding this, it doesn't move. I'm gonna go ahead and get this old chain out of the way. Got our tack bar. Gonna clean off the paint so we get a good weld on here. Alright, got tack bar in, gonna tack it in place, and then I'm gonna finish welding these joints. Yeah, there's the weld. I'll clean it up and blend it in like this one is right here. And then yeah, the hardtail's fully welded in. Alright, there you got it, guys. Hardtail's welded back in, or finished welded, kinda. Welds are cleaned up. Once I get the motor out and I'm able to rotate the frame, I'll clean up the welds on the underside and make them look nice. Wiring harness is out. I will probably do a video where I hack that up. I cut up the one on the black shadow. It wasn't terrible, but it was not fun, so I'm not looking forward to that. So I might film it, I might not, because it's pretty frustrating sometimes. But done on this one for today, and then I should be back next week, hopefully with the exhaust build on this one. So stay tuned. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, please leave me a comment down below. I try to reply to everybody's comment. So, and shoot me an email if you want. I had a guy shoot me an email about his Honda Goldwing chopper. Sent me a video of it. Really, really cool. It's got me thinking about buying a Goldwing now. But yeah, just like, comment, subscribe. You know, I appreciate it. Appreciate all the love. So, thanks, guys.